The boy who threatened a female teacher in video leaves Calabar High School. Meanwhile, cops are still trying to locate him.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Administrators at Calabar High School have confirmed that the student who was caught on video intimidating a female teacher is no longer attending the institution. The student did not return to the Red Hills Road St. Andrew-based institution after the summer holidays. A senior member of the staff said Calabar officials were quick to point out that the boy was not expelled. At this point, it is still unclear what form the student was last in at the school. The police say they have been unsuccessful in their efforts to locate the boy, who is wanted for questioning in relation to the video which was reportedly recorded earlier this year. We have reviewed the video that was being circulated on social media and have also visited the school and reached out to teachers at the institution, said an officer from the Constant Spring police station. Indications are that the members of the school community were not exactly cooperative with the police's efforts to contact the elusive student. In the video, the student is seen and heard telling the teacher that he was not pleased with how she was conducting herself, suggesting that she was acting as if she was better than individuals around her.
I kill nobody, Miss Jarrett. Yeah, I drive big van and I live in a big house and I want to come back and go on like say nice. I own no man fear robbing, no man no fear rob no 9 to 5 people, you know. I don't want to kill so much people and not kill any Miss Jarrett. Yeah, only somebody from the compound never get this.
Thank
you. You know? Yeah, only person from the compound never get this real and true, you know, like me just this kind of business, you know. And I'm going to come and love man show, you know, to appreciate nothing, you know. I'm based on this time, I see me coming up blind. Yeah.
He made the comments while several of his classmates stood around the teacher laughing at the statements being made. The teacher, meanwhile, just sat staring at the student in shock, amazement, fear, disgust, or a combination of the above. Only she knows.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.